welcome back to the latest video on our YouTube channel. Hello guys! In many places around the world, there are still wonderful moments when people are willing to give love and help animals in difficult situations. Let's enjoy those beautiful moments together today. A group of fishermen on the north coast of Peru found a turtle floating in the sea with barnacles all over its body. They decided to help this turtle. At first, they had difficulty trying to get the turtle onto the boat. After a few minutes, they successfully got it onto the boat and realized there were many barnacles on the turtle's shell, including on its head. They worked hard to remove all the barnacles from the turtle, and now it can return home safely. You will be surprised by this next moment. Oh, this large amount of slimy scales can be dangerous for the turtle. This man, out of kindness, gently removed them, allowing the turtle to freely return to its natural environment. Hearing the mother duck's cry, the man immediately searched and found the duck stuck here. Without hesitation, he decided to help them. Happiness filled me when I saw the mother and daughter reunited. The man decided to follow the stray dog after giving it food. To my surprise, she brought that food home to share with his child. It is heartwarming to witness the love mothers have for their children.
Oh, it's for you.
Hearing the deer's cry, I felt the pain as it got stuck in the fence. Thrilled, I watched the group rescue the deer with professionalism and skill in how they helped it get out of its difficult situation. The rescue team successfully rescued a cute baby monkey when it got stuck in a tree. Coincidentally, they discovered that it was the endangered Tibetan chief monkey. After taking the parrot to a medical center for examination, they discovered fungus in its nasal cavity. According to your doctor's advice, you should take your pet for regular health checks at least once a year. Baby cobra gets stuck in a sticky trap while attacking bait. Luckily for it, when this man discovered it, he used a specialized solution to reduce the stickiness of the glue before rescuing it.
ಒಂದು ಖಾಲಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಡಬ್ಬ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅದು ಮಣ್ಣು ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗಮ್ಮೆಲ್.
Littering in the ocean not only causes problems for turtles and other marine animals, but also increases the risk of them becoming trapped in fishing nets or harmed by waste in their habitat. The rescue team is making efforts to rescue the turtles. These efforts deserve to be celebrated. The noble actions of the two guys made the deer feel grateful. Even though he couldn't say it in words, his gestures expressed it all. In that situation, without the man's timely intervention, the kitten will certainly encounter unpredictable dangers.
ले 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 बाल्टी में.
A poor kitten accidentally got its head stuck in a plastic pipe. Fear made its body more painful. Luckily, a kind man rescued him from danger.
अब लेटा दे बाल्टी.
As a result, the cat returned to a happy life after terrifying moments.
थोड़ा.
Oh my god! This dog was trapped under a sewage pipe. A group of pipe cleaners found him. They came up with an emergency plan to dig a hole to rescue the dog as quickly as possible. Finally, they saw the dog. It expressed joy to thank these good guys. The process of rescuing a sperm whale trapped by net threads posed a challenge for the rescue team. Their relentless efforts finally brought success. When you finish watching this video, you will definitely feel very moved. The cat was quite pitiful with its front legs strangely pulled straight up, and it was injured. The rescue team promptly took it to the hospital in a state of panic. The rescuer encouraged him throughout the treatment process, and in the end, he got a new pair of legs. Situations where horses are stuck under ice, the rescue team has come up with many options to rescue them. They finally decided to use an excavator to pull them to safety. The dog's strange sound, echoing from the drainage system, attracted the man's attention. During the final hours of the day, he decided to explore and discovered the dog in difficulty. An indescribable feeling of happiness overwhelmed him as he gently brought him to shore, receiving a warm welcome from everyone, especially his owner. In a tragic scene, a young deer is stuck between an iron fence. Its fearful eyes flashed between the iron bands, as if seeking salvation. Luckily, a passerby came, bringing hope and opening a new door for the deer to return to freedom. Sometimes you just need to overcome fear to achieve success. Like this horse, it overcame his own fear to get out of the mud.
Good girl.
Even though she was abandoned in the harsh weather, the mother dog still kept faith that someone would come to help her family. And then this kind man actually came. He brought the dog's family to a new, warm, and loving home. Ospreys are very good at catching prey moving underwater, especially when hunting fish. However, today we caught a moment when these surfers saved an osprey that couldn't swim to shore because it got tangled in the fishing line. Fortunately, it can finally return safely to the wild. Getting its foot stuck in the fence made it cry out in pain. Even though it tried to struggle, it couldn't escape. After receiving help from humans, the deer had a second chance at life. Look at this deer, how happy he was to regain his freedom after escaping the fence.
So smiley. So this is a normal.
Beautiful fur is the pride of every sheep, but it can also bring trouble to them. This sheep wouldn't have been able to get out of the water without her help, perhaps because its thick fur made its body much heavier when it was soaked in water and mud. Every year, millions of deer get stuck in fences, but fortunately, in many of those cases, people are present and rescue them, creating meaningful stories about people's compassion for animals. Although it is quite difficult to hold the monkey tightly and carefully cut each rope, but she will definitely feel happiness spreading every minute after the baby monkey is freed without suffering. This cat is so smart. It knows that holding on to the rope is the only way for humans to help it escape death. The man tried his best to rescue the deer trapped under the rock. He gently hugged and comforted it. It was finally calm. What a sweet moment. That hero was there to save the dog from a dangerous situation. While trapped there, it can only wait for a ray of hope. And luckily, the wait paid off. This stingray is being docile in human hands because it knows that they are helping it return to the ocean, instead of instinctively attacking the person who touches it like we usually see. Even though it was stuck in the fence, that couldn't stop this little bird's journey. Because at that moment, it was rescued from there by a kind person. Fly away, and I hope it won't happen again. Surely there will be many people who are afraid of spiders. Even though it is a small creature, it is still a life and deserves to be saved. This nice guy is helping the snake escape the highway and return to the wild. If you want to act like him, you first need to learn the necessary skills when facing snakes. Many snake species have enough venom to kill humans. We humans are known for our tolerance and are always ready to help animals when they are in trouble, even if we don't receive a thank you from them. At this point, the diver just wanted to help the pufferfish escape the fishing line. But he doesn't care about the fact that pufferfish are quite poisonous. These kind people did not refuse to help the shark when it intelligently swam up to them with the hope that they would help it escape the rope. After it was helped by the kind man, the fawn escaped from the wooden planks. The moment mother deer and fawn reunite is a testament to the importance of caring for and protecting animals. This man is the savior of the osprey. It probably would have died while trapped underwater if he hadn't discovered and helped it. Regain freedom for the blue heron when it got stuck in the fishing line. Perhaps it will be the thing these two men feel most wonderful about today. Before the thirsty eagle, there was a clear plea in its eyes. As a natural sign of kindness, these benevolent men cannot refuse to help it. The scene of people saving the turtle is a strong reminder of the importance of keeping the marine environment clean. We need to be more conscious about not littering the sea so as not to cause unnecessary disasters to innocent creatures. Can you imagine the despair of the little deer when stuck in a deep hole, and its happiness when humans freed it from there? After floods, heroes like this will always appear. They have saved many cats trapped in flooded houses. Image of a bear cub being helped out of a dangerous situation by humans. We can see that the bear cubs are no different from naughty children. Returns to the ocean after being helped by humans to escape the shallow water area. These two dolphins will surely be extremely grateful to those kind people.
Oh my God!
Are you brave enough to act like this man? He braved the danger of climbing to the top of a tall palm tree to rescue a naughty cat. When he saw the despair of the eagle stuck in the lake, he immediately helped it regain hope in life. These kind workers are trying to rescue a cow stuck in a sewer. Moment wants to remind construction site managers to regularly cover manholes when they are no longer in use to avoid accidentally endangering animals. My God, this bunny must be suffering from fear and being trapped underwater. Luckily, it was helped by kind people. And this rabbit has eyes full of happiness as he is about to regain his freedom. The rabbit is being helped by its savior. He gently cuts the net ropes to help it escape. Rescuers are rescuing a cat. It climbed to the top of a tall tree and couldn't get down on its own. This will be a valuable lesson for the naughty cat.
I know you're scared. It's okay.
The deer will not be able to escape the fence until it is discovered by this girl. After she helped him, he still couldn't stand up and walk normally. It must have been stuck there for many hours, causing it to become exhausted.
Walk, buddy.
The elephant mother led her baby to the lake to drink water, but unfortunately, the baby fell into it. Another large elephant quickly came to assist. The image of them running into the lake to save their child shows the group spirit and solidarity of the elephant herd. The Arctic fox was so hungry that it was able to overcome its fear to approach the man. He also kindly shared with it the fish in his trap.
Молодец. Считай, что выкопал. Это тебе за фокус. С выпалыванием. Красавчик.
These horses seem to have not been cared for a long time. Due to their long nails, they have difficulty moving. A man decided to carefully trim their nails. The end result is that they can move more easily. Cyclists in Adelaide stopped to help a koala after the bushfires. It's surprising that in one moment, this bear can drink 7 bottles of water.
I haven't either. We've seen plenty of them. Has anyone got any more? He's so thirsty.
This kitten will definitely encounter many dangers when it gets lost on the highway. Luckily for him, a delivery man stopped and took him to the curb. A penguin got lost in a snowstorm. It decided to follow the expedition. The penguin made the right decision to reunite with its flock.
Oh my gosh.
During a fire in an apartment building in Russia, firefighters discovered a cat lying motionless on the floor. The cat was almost lifeless. They gave it oxygen. Luckily, it's still alive. This fox went a long time without finding food. It recklessly decided to approach a resident's house. And perhaps he was surprised by the host's kindness.
That's it? Okay, that's it. Smell and look behind too. Unbelievable. Yeah.
Get it! Bring them all in!
A Florida man is braving danger during a tropical storm to rescue baby birds. I appreciate this nice guy's actions.
Hurry, hurry! Right now?
He discovered a bird stuck on the road with its feet frozen. The man carefully removed the surrounding ice to help the bird escape without damaging its legs. The mother cow could only stand helplessly next to her exhausted calf in the middle of the road, waiting for help. Luckily, this man helped the mother and child escape the dangers on the road. Alameda County firefighters rescue ducklings from a sewer. Mother duck will surely be very touched when she witnesses the moment they help each of their children escape from there.
Yeah, there you go.
Bird.
Rescue workers discovered the eagle stuck in the weeds in the swamp. They put it on a boat and gave it rest and food to restore its health before it returned to the wild.
But you know what? Pause this and I'm gonna see if I can swap it. Hey. Oh, you're standing on your tail. Get off. Okay, I shoved it off.
This sheep was rescued from the swamp by a farmer. It stood there as if wanting to express its gratitude to him before leaving.
The whole gang here. Let's
go ahead and start this.
The squirrel wanted to ask the man for a peanut, and of course this kind man would not refuse. Wow, there's not just one squirrel, there's a whole group of squirrels. Hopefully, the number of peanuts in his jar will be enough to share with all the squirrels.
Come here. I'll give you one. Come here. Yeah, that squirrel.
This shark was so aggressive. It chased the stingray all the way to shore. The little ray would have become a meal for the shark if he hadn't been there in time to scare the shark away. I wonder what will be the fate of this uncle if the homeowner does not return in time and help him escape the fence. The bear cubs are feeling scared when trying to cross the road. The drivers were kind enough to stop their cars so their family could cross the road more easily.
Mama, get them across. There you go. Where's the other one?
The size of the barnacle on that thing's forehead.
Surely, in the following days, this shrimp's life will be better after this kind guy removes all the parasitic barnacles from its body.
All they really do is affect their mobility, plus that they can move, more barnacles grow on them. So it's kind of a runaway effect. You can really see it. They're closed right now. Send her on her way.
After the first failure to rescue the cat, it fell into danger. They did not give up and successfully brought it ashore. Thank God, it's still alive. The deer is trying to struggle out of the fence. It would probably quickly become exhausted and unable to escape without this man's help. They discovered the fox trapped in a torn bag on the side of the road. It tried to bite off the bag to escape, but failed. Luckily, he met this nice guy. Let's spread kindness to everyone and make our world a better place. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It will motivate us to create more interesting videos every day.